How to change profile name on Netflix account in your smart TV. And okay guys, here in your smart TV, on your remote, press the Netflix and now you can see here the list of profile. So for my example, I changed the profile name of this Chad profile. Okay, you'll have to do is go to pencil icon on the left side of this profile. Okay, and after that, click OK button on your remote. And now here you can see the name. Okay, you can click the name and now you can change or edit the name of this profile. You need clear first the name and enter a new name. So for my example, I put the name Richard, and after you change the name or edit the name, okay, click the done button. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully changed the name, and after that, click the done button to save these settings. And okay, you have successfully changed the name of this profile on your Netflix account in your smart TV. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.